Welcome back. Goan hearts are as soft as sand. With this compliment, the dancing diva and Dak Dak girl Madhuri Dixit captured hearts of many at the Ravindra Bhavan in Madgaon. Madhuri singing a Konkani song was an icing on the cake. The queen of Bollywood was felicitated at Madgaon.
इथल्या मऊ रेतीप्रमाणे इकडची मन पण तेवढीच मऊ आहे, तिकडचे हृदय पण तेवढेच मऊ आहे. ती थोडं कोंकणी मराठी मिक्स बोलायची आणि ती एक गाणं मला गुणगुणून दाखवायची. आम्ही फार लहान होतो तेव्हा, पण आता इथे बसल्या बसल्या मला आठवण येत होती त्याची. तर जरा शब्द काही चुकले तर सॉरी, पण मी गुणगुणते ते इथे. यशोदा काकू कित्ता करू एठा नाही ठारो बोड्यो तुझो मोडून खोटो फोडून माझो डेरो यशोदा काकू कित्ता करू. इथे बसल्या बसल्या मला हे गाणं आठवतं.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastav, film star Jackie Shroff, Chairperson of Margao Municipality Sushila Naik and others were present for the function. Jackie Shroff was also felicitated on the occasion. He expressed his love for Goans in his own style.
म्हाका गोंय आवडटा आनी गोंयच्या लोकांचेर हांव मोग करता.
Huge crowd had gathered outside the Ravindra Bhavan to get one sight of the Bollywood queen. A reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
And now news from sports. Goa will clash with the mighty Zambians in the highly anticipated GFA Golden Jubilee celebration match on Saturday at Fatodda. The match will be a great opportunity for the football-crazy Goans to watch highly talented and powerful players from the African country play right in front of their eyes. Zambia is one of the most powerful footballing countries from Africa and are ranked at number 80 in the FIFA World Rankings.
Coached by Armando Colaco, Goa had a practice session in the morning at Nehru Stadium. Goa and Zambia then addressed the pre-match press conference. Zambia coach Herve Renard is using the opportunity to test out the potential of youngsters.
You know, from this squad we have today, I think, I'm not sure because the Africa Cup is in 2 months, but maybe 5 players will be part of the 23 players for Africa Cup of Nations. Maybe less, maybe 3, maybe 2. We never know.
What is the composition of this team? Is it a very junior team? Is it?
It's a local national team. The players are playing only in Zambia, and I took 5 under 20, but they are quite good, and I want to see them at the international level.
And how do you read Indian conditions? How do you read the conditions of these 2 matches?
Like I said before, everything is perfect. We trained on another ground yesterday. It was good, and we trained here yesterday. The pitch is very good.
Former India coach and most successful club coach in the country with Dempo Sports Club, Armando Colaco is ready for this challenge. This will be an opportunity for young Goan players to play against a very strong opponent.
We have got nothing to lose, but we'll come back and play a good football. That's what we want to do tomorrow. I know in all circumstances there are missing so many of the players, the players of the Goa state team or with the national team, but then let's move forward. The youngsters will get a chance to play tomorrow, along with some foreigners who are there, who are playing in the Goan clubs. There are foreigners because, like I've said, that the standard of Zambia compared to state is going to be very, very difficult, vast. But In order to make up for a little, we've got the foreign. The GFA said, take some of the foreigners who played in the Goan club. There should be something. The lineup of Goa team is more or less, Felix will be in the goal. Valeriano, Crescent and Town, Wilson Rodriguez and Ancun in defense. Ranzel Franco, Godwin Franco, Tite Carvalho and Lenny Rodriguez will be the midfield line, and Renchi and Moga will be the strikers.
Our reporter from Fatorda, Sameer Bhatt.
India football coach Savio Madeira is looking forward to the Zambia friendly to be held at Fatorda on Tuesday. The Goan will first have an opportunity to gauge the opponents from close quarters when Zambia take on Goa on Saturday. Prudent spoke to Savio after inaugurating IFFI's Soccer in Cinema at Kampal Ground on Thursday night.
What do you feel are the realistic chances of the Indian side?
First of all, we know that Zambia is a very strong opponent. Their ranking is also high, their standard is high. But since we have started well, boys will be trying to continue doing the good work. And since they are playing with Goa on the 26th, we'll be able to gauge what are their strong points, weak points. And we will try to do our best on the 29th with them.
Indian team looked very fit in the recent victory over Malaysia, and Savio praised the players for looking well after their fitness.
Credit goes to them because we met only a day before, only one session. And the second match also I had to change most of the boys because otherwise within not even 72 hours and they are playing two friendlies which were not right. And I think they did a great job and credit goes to them.
After the Zambia match will come up the SAF Challenger. So what is the preparation you're looking for again? Because again, less time with the boys, busy I-League schedule. So what is the kind of preparation you'll be looking for?
Just before taking this job, this whole schedule was fixed. So after knowing this, still if I try to give excuses, then it's not right. So I took this as a challenge, and I took from the 13th match which we played against Malaysia in Assam, from that day to the SAF Cup as a preparation, which I have already spoken to the boys, saying that we don't have enough time for us to prepare, but let's take this as a challenge, these two matches and the Zambia match as a third one. So hope the boys keep focused, and a few days, whatever we get, 3 or 4 days, I think we have to make the best use of it.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Falari from Kampal.
And with this, we come to an end of this bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.